So at number 20, and still walking through this program with you, is the low heel tan or nude shoe. And what this looks like, again, is very personal to you, but it's not a very high heel and it's not a flat shoe. It's somewhere in the middle. It's something that if you're going to a lunch, or if you want to dress down a business outfit, or if you want to dress up a casual outfit, the tan or the nude, which I prefer actually because nude is really very, very versatile, then the low heel is something that just dresses up your outfit ever so slightly. Let me give you an example. You might have a pencil skirt and you might have your cropped little jacket and a white cami underneath, and just to put your nude low heel on actually just dresses the outfit up ever so slightly. Even if you have your blazer with your navy t-shirt and your jeans, a low classic heel in nude is very, very versatile. So at number 20 is an extremely useful pair of shoes, not high, not low, somewhere in the middle. Doesn't have to be pointy, doesn't have to be rounded, just something that makes you feel a little bit sophisticated. That's what it brings, is a bit of sophistication to your wardrobe. Number 20, the low nude or light tan heel.